Hello and welcome to Merging Customer Data for Market Analysis. My task is to merge two sorted customer data sets in place, and to do so efficiently, I'm using Customer Data 1's trailing space. The most efficient way to solve this is by working backwards. Think of it like having two stacks of files in a single drawer. If you start from the front, you have to keep shifting the files you already have to make room. If you start from the back, you can drop the largest files into an empty space without moving anything else. We compare the largest element of both arrays and place them at the end, avoiding overwriting any data we still need. Let's look at the code and talk about it. Switching tabs, here we go. Oh, did that just make it smaller? Pausing for just a moment here. Excuse me, I switched tabs and cool, I'm still recording. Switch tabs and it changed the size. So from the top here, import unit test is Python's built-in framework for testing. I'm using Python to solve this challenge. Unit test allows you to write test cases that automatically verify if your code is behaving exactly as expected. Def merge customer data, followed by the data we've been given for this assignment. That line replaces the placeholder zeros in customer data 1 with the actual data from customer data 2, and then sorts the combined data list. Customer data 1, the next line here, with M, resorts the combined list to ensure the final output is in the correct order. We are asked to make test cases, which is what most of this code is. The sort method makes this very smooth, but with regard to the test cases, class test minimal merge unit test case creates a folder for our test, and then we have three normal cases. Def test standard parentheses self defines a specific test case scenarios. Each method that starts with test is a separate test case. So this first one, test a basic merge of two equally sized sort arrays. And then this tests different lengths. There's overlap. A couple of test cases are if it's empty or if it's in the wrong order. If name equals main, make sure that the script is being run by me and not mistakenly if someone imported it later. And unit test.main argv tells the unit test to go find every function from the word test and execute it. In the bad version of this code, inserting from the front, you might have to shift every single file every time you add one. That would be like big O M times N, which is like moving 100 files 100 times. My approach runs in linear time, which is big O M plus N, because we only touch each record once, and it uses constant space. O multiplied by 1 because we perform the merge entirely within the existing memory of the first array. And a couple clarifying questions, if this were asked to me, would be, should I assume that the customer IDs are always positive integers? If there are duplicate IDs between the two lists, should I keep both or merge them into one? And is the customer data 1 guaranteed to have exactly M plus N space? So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.